This little satin bowerbird was chased into a plate glass window by a currawong, which was ready to rip it apart until I came out. A few myna birds around too. So, well, let me get out here. Okay, so the birds can't attack you. I'll put you down here. Okay. There we are. There you are. Yeah, you're standing up there. Good. You just recover there. Okay. I'll keep an eye on you. So the little bird recovered and eventually got away, but if it had stayed out the front when it had run into the glass window, it would have been ripped apart by the currawong, and myna birds were there too.